Hi, thanks for tuning in. We really appreciate you taking the time to virtually connect with us today.
We hope all of you are safe and healthy. As we're adjusting to this new reality as best as possible, we hope you're also finding ways to cope with the situation.
We have some exciting changes and projects we'd like to share with all of you.
As soon as the COVID-19 pandemic was declared, our first priority was to check on the well-being, on the health of our employees. We make sure everyone was healthy and safe. We had employees at different customer sites. We made sure they could come home, that they were fine. And after that, we started communicating regularly with our employees. We organized regular team meetings where we shared the updates we had at the time. Then we reach out to our customer to see if they needed our help, to see how they were doing, and this constant conversation is still happening.
The application team and the technical support team, we were lucky enough because we were already working at home, working from the customer office and everything. Of course, we needed to adjust a little bit. Having kids behind you during your work day is not easy to manage sometimes, but we've been through that.
So typically the software development team used to work all in the office in Bromont. The new reality for us is that everyone is working from home, but we have the methodologies to keep in touch every day and continue our great teamwork.
So we have 1/4 of the team who was already working remotely full-time, working from different countries around the world. So for them, they continue to do so, they just stopped traveling. For the rest of the team here in Bromont, they're already used to working from home a few days a week, so it just continued that way. We have the tools to do so. When we speak to each other, we use video conference. It makes it much more alive. It feels like we're together.